Hello there, welcome back. Today I am going to explain you and show you how to create .p12 certificate file using Apple Provisioning Profile. So in this, before starting the hands-on experience and how we can generate, I will just talk about a little brief about .p12 certificate file. So as it says that it is basically a file format for storing many cryptography objects as a single file. So in this case, as the line first says that we are going to store it some file and certificates. So mostly in this case for the Mac and Apple development, we are this is the way to store and that file and to share with your your DevOps, your pipeline system and somewhere else file which in the same certificate file, right? So what is happening in this session, I will explain you how to create the P12 file using the iOS distribution certificate, right? P12 contain both private key and public key and also information about the owner, email address and link certificate. That's why the reason behind that to create the file to when you build the publish using Xcode or using Azure Xamarin or Azure Prime. This P12 file basically contains all the necessary information by which you build directly goes to that particular app. Again, the third point is P12 file is password protected. So every P12 must be password, otherwise it will not be accessible. Okay, so let's start some hands-on experience. Listen. First, we will open the MS keychain access, right? Then click on it, and as I mentioned in the session that I will be opening the key provisioning profile, right? So then I just select it. You need to select the particular certificate for which you need to create the P12 file. So in this case, or my requirement is to create a P12 file for distribution profile and distribution certificate, right? So my all certificates installed here inside the keychain, as you know, right? So what you need to do, you need to click on select it first, and then right click it and click on export iPhone distribution certificate. Then it will be in this. You can see in the file format extension, it's showing me the file format exchange. And then I'll put name of the file inside the save as option. I put the where I am P12, right? And click on save. When I click on save, it prompts me the password. As I mentioned that the P12 file must be password protected. So let me put my password for the same. Okay, and that's it, right? And click on say okay. Then it allow me to again the password. Okay, then it is also here you need to provide the password for you the Mac login login account credential password by which you log into the Mac. So I say always, and that's it. Your provisioning profile has been created. You can go here and see inside the right. So that's it from this session. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video update notification in your inbox. Thank you for watching.